Hello, everyone. It's been a while since I've done this, but thought it would be fun to pop on here and talk a little bit about the next stages for Independent Spirits, our new series. As you may have known, we premiered last month at the Independent Spirits Festival, which we helped co-produce in Leith in Scotland, which was just unbelievable. Definitely the best whiskey festival experience I've ever had in my life. I think our whole team felt the same way. But now we're bringing that home. On April 26th, we're going to be doing an incredible event in Orlando, Florida. And we're working with the Whiskey Cabinet and the Scotch Drinkers Only to share some independent bottlings with people along with the series. And we really can't wait. So if you see this and you are in any way close to Orlando and you don't want to go to Disney World, or you have time beyond Disney World, it's another thing to do. It's in Winter Garden, and one of our team will be there. We actually have two events the same day. The other one's a private event, so I'm not sure which one of us will be there, but one of us will be there, and I hope you will be too. I just posted a thing in our story and another post on our, just a regular post here on Instagram with the details and the ticket link and everything. The tickets are available now. It's going to be a big event, and I got to tell you, some of the whiskeys that are on offer are pretty insane. Some very, very old whiskeys, and all of them are delicious. Some of them are older than others, but isn't that always the case? One of the things that's going to be poured there is a 31-year-old whiskey. So it's just going to be a pretty spectacular evening. And I hope that some people can join us there. It's going to be the first time we're rolling out the film here in a theatrical environment in the States. It won't be the last. It will not be the last, I assure you, but it is the very first one. And we're very, very excited about it because, like I said, some of the whiskeys that we're pouring here, actually, let me open up a list here. We have a 9-year-old Kalila from Lady of the Glen, one of the featured bottlers in our film. We have a 13-year-old Dalyuan from Dramore, personal favorite of mine. I actually have a bottle of that on my shelf right now, and it is mostly empty, which is all you need to know. The 31-year-old North British from Creetown, again, 31, and a 28-year-old from Speyside Distillery, which I've had and is absolutely insane. It's just gorgeous. And it's not a Speyside Distillery, it's the Speyside Distillery. And I think you're in for a real treat. So if you see this live or you see this later and you're somehow drawn to listening to me talk, I really hope you'll join us in Florida, April 26th. And like I said, the links should be in the post, in the story, everywhere you need it. Hopefully you'll join us there. I'm going to also probably do this a few more times over the next week or so, and I'm going to go live tomorrow on our Facebook group. So, but in the meantime, if anyone has any questions, throw them in now, because otherwise I'm going to sign off because I have run out of things to say. Talk to you soon.